Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
If you monetize on YouTube, you must set up AdSense payment details correctly. A SWIFT code identifies your bank internationally for wire transfers. Most SWIFT codes are 8 or 11 letters in length. Payments from AdSense are issued after you reach the 00 payment threshold in your account. Entering a wrong SWIFT often delays payments and triggers return fees. Confirm your SWIFT with your bank directly to avoid issues. Keep your account name matching your bank records exactly to prevent rejections. To locate your SWIFT code, check your bank statement or online banking portal first. Banks usually list the SWIFT or BIC on statements and account pages. If you cannot find it, call or chat with bank support to confirm the code. Ask whether the SWIFT is 8 or 11 letters for your branch specifically. Some banks use different SWIFT codes for domestic versus international processing. Also verify correspondent bank details if your bank uses an intermediary for USD or your wires. Log into your AdSense account and open payments to add bank details. Enter your bank name, account number, IBAN if used, and the SWIFT code accurately. AdSense often sends a small test deposit to verify the account ownership. Confirm the amount of the test deposit inside the payment verification section when it posts. Once verified, save the details and schedule your payments. Expect international transfers to take 3 to 15 business days, depending on banks and correspondent processing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.